Hey traders, in this particular video, we are breaking down the funding rate trading strategy. All right, basically, we want to look at how to use funding rates. Okay, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what funding rates are, how they work, and how to apply them to your trading analysis. Okay. Now, funding rates are payments exchanged between long and short positions in perpetual futures markets. All right. So just follow me, okay, as I explain. These payments happen at regular intervals and help keep the contract price close to the underlying asset's price. Okay? Now, you need to understand that a positive funding rate means that traders who are long pay those who are short. All right? Indicating more long positions. Okay? So let's just quickly look at this. All right. So as you can see, the long traders pay the short traders, right? So it means that there are more longs, more long positions. Then a negative funding rate, as you would have already guessed, shows that short traders pay long traders, meaning that more short positions are open. So now understanding this gives you insight into market sentiment. Okay, funding rates matter because they reflect trader behavior and market pressure. For example, if the funding rate is highly positive, it shows that longs are dominating, which can lead to potential over-leveraged positions and market corrections. All right. So by monitoring funding rates, traders can anticipate short-term pressure and align their trades with broader market trends. All right. So it's a powerful tool to, understand whether the market is leaning bullish or bearish in the short term. Okay. Now, to use funding rates in a trading strategy, you have to start by tracking the rate over time. You have to identify extremes, which are very high positive or very high negative rates. Okay? Very high positive or very low negative rates often precede market reactions. So you need to combine funding rate data with other tools like price action, support and resistance, right? You have to combine them, can also add up your trend indicators. Okay, so you make use of your price action analysis, you make use of your trend indicators, and then you make your reference to your funding rate data. Okay, to increase confidence in your trade setups. Now, the idea is not to trade funding rates alone, but to use them as an additional signal to gauge market sentiment. Now, here are a few tips. All right, you need to watch out for sudden spikes in funding rates, which can indicate an imbalance in the market. Consider aligning your trades with periods of neutral or moderate funding rates to reduce the risk of chasing extreme leverage. Also, you want to check out funding rate history on multiple exchanges. All right? Check out funding rate history on multiple exchanges, as rates can differ slightly, giving you a more complete picture of overall market sentiment. Now, using funding rates strategically helps you better understand market pressure and potential short-term movements, right? So if you are a trader, probably a crypto trader, or a trader of assets that has to do with that are more inclined towards funding rates strategy, you want to take note of the accurate data of the positive funding rates and negative funding rates, and then use that as part of your fundamental analysis. After doing the needful, getting your data accurately, then you can come back to your charts and do your technical analysis accordingly. All right? You do your fundamental analysis, and you come back to do your technical analysis. You consider market sentiment, overall market sentiment at the time, and you make your decisions, based on the summations of all the information that you must have gotten, both from your funding rates and your technicals. All right? And remember what we said about exchanges. All right? Remember that it is good to check funding rate history on multiple exchanges, okay, because rates can differ slightly. All right, so that's going to help you to give, it's going to help to give you a more complete picture of the overall market sentiment. Okay, you have to be strategic with using funding rates. All right, and have to understand market pressure and short-term movements. So that is it for the funding rate trading strategy. Okay, it's a simple yet effective way to read market sentiment and enhance your trading analysis. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more crypto trading strategies. Start tracking funding rates today and add this powerful tool to your trading toolkit. See you in the next video.